It's a game that most of us already know how to play. You've got a grid in front of you, and as the combinations of letters and numbers are shouted out, you make your mark.
So you've probably already guessed by now these cryptic hints are talking about bingo, but there's one thing that you might not be as familiar with, and that would be Super Bingo. So here to shed some light on Super Bingo is Roland Adkins. He is the president of the Pittsville Volunteer Fire Department, with Christina Powell, who is the secretary. Guys, thank you so much.
It's great to be here.
For joining us. Want to find out about Super Bingo. First, tell me a little bit about the Pittsville Volunteer Fire Department. How did it start?
Okay, the fire department itself started in 1928, and we've been serving the community of Pittsville ever since. So it's been a long, long time.
Just been growing since then?
Ever since then, that's for sure.
How many members have you got?
40 members. Yeah, 40 active members.
Yeah.
And then we have some lifetime members, so
that's
probably around 50 total.
That's how many pieces of equipment have you got?
So let's see, we have.
I'm pushing him now.
Yeah, let's see, 2, 4, 6, we probably got 12 pieces of equipment,
really?
including ambulances and stuff like that.
Oh my goodness, well that's awesome.
And our antique.
And our antique, yeah.
That's terrific.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, yeah.
I know you guys stay very busy. How are some of the ways you interact with the community?
Oh, it's all of our fundraisers. We actually have, that's a lot of interaction we have with the community and things like that. So
we have a lot of different fundraisers. We have our car show in the fall.
Okay.
We just wrapped up our wall game night, which we do every March. We do bingo from April to October. We have a gun and cash raffle, lots of different things that we try to get out into the community. And
these fundraisers are crucial to the operation of the department.
That's for sure, yeah.
Okay, so tell us about Super Bingo.
So the Super Bingo is every Friday night from the doors open at 5, games start at 7. Every game is worth at least $100, every single game.
Wow.
The U-Pick game with 17 numbers or less, you can win up to $10,000.
Wow.
And it's got to be within 17 numbers or less. After that, you'll win the $100 consolation prize.
See,
and then at the end of the night, we have a blackout game that's $1,000.
That has to be with 100 people. So,
Yep.
Oh, wow. I'm super excited about it. I know my friend Melissa and I have already been talking about going out to your Super Bingo. So when we show up there that night, what can we expect?
Okay, you can expect the doors to open at 5 and just come on in. The earlier you get there, the better, because seats do start to fill up. People will get their certain bingo seats ready to sit in and to play bingo. But yeah, the sooner you get there, the better. And right at 7 o'clock sharp, we'll start. We'll start calling numbers.
We'll start calling numbers.
Yeah.
So Christina, what are the funds that are raised for the fire department? What are they used for? Where's the money go?
Oh, they're used for a lot of different things. Maintenance on the equipment, utilities, furthering training for our members, things like that. Lots of operating costs.
We were just joking the other day. It seems like anything we get a quote for anymore, it's at least $10,000.
Is that right?
Yeah.
And those trucks are not cheap.
Yeah, that's for sure. You get a flat tire, it's $5,000.
Wow. One of the light bulbs was like 2,000 something for a light bulb. It's just,
Wow. Well, how can we find out more about Super Bingo?
You can go to pittsvillefire.com or our Facebook page and find out all the information on bingo and everything else we have going on.
Now, do you guys provide the little trolls, or do I have to bring my own?
Yeah, you got to bring your own
you have
trolls.
to bring your own.
You know about that, right? You need a little troll.
I obviously don't play nearly enough.
you need to get a little troll. They bring you luck.
Okay, but I got to bring my own. All right, Roland, Christina, thank you so much for stopping by and telling us about all this very, very important stuff. We hope you get all the help you need.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.